This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. Welcome to this charming, updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath concrete block home with newly installed standing seam roof, perfectly situated on 5 fully fenced acres. Step inside to discover a spacious great room with stunning natural tongue and groove ceilings, complemented by wood-look tile flooring throughout. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring an 8-burner gas range, marble countertops, and a butcher block island with a prep sink. Indulge in the luxurious updated baths, and relax in the expansive screen pool area, ideal for entertaining. This home is equipped with impact windows and doors, private electric gate for peace of mind. Outside, a 3-stall barn includes a tack room and wash rack, perfect for horse lovers. A standout feature is the massive 3,000 square feet CBS garage, complete with 2 air-conditioned rooms, a walk-in freezer, and still space for 9 cars, plus loft storage for all your needs. This property offers the perfect blend of country living and modern luxury. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.